Hey, what's up, Jeff? Quick demo video for you for your 89 Sabres Graflex in ESB conversion. Just got this done this afternoon, okay? This installed the Profi V2. It's got CC Sabres LEDs down here in the emitter. This is a 2-button setup, so your main activation switch is gonna be your red button right here. And then your auxiliary is the slide tab right here. And that works out pretty good. You do have shine through in your glass eye, and I'll light that up here in a second. This is your blade retention right here, so you need a flathead screwdriver to use that, and it's not the bunny ears. And then your card here, I put a little bit of E6000 on the back of the card because when you go like this and you flip this clamp down to take the handle off, if I didn't have that E6000 in there, it'd slide right out. So it's just a dab in there, so in case you want to take it out in the future, you can, but it holds it in place nice. And then once you take the handle off, this is what your chassis looks like. So you got this side over here, removable battery. So your spring side, for your negative side, your battery is inside the hilt right here. And then you got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker, right? And then your Profi board's right there. Easy access to your micro USB, but the board is just a press fit down into this shelf. So if you wanted to get to the board, you could take this middle piece off, right? It comes off. I'll just take it off right now and show you. Comes off just like that. And then that's basically what you're looking at right there. And that is your chassis retention grub screw right there, right? So we'll put this back on. Kind of line it up. If you're not careful, this will slide past alignment. So you just line it up with your eye about where it needs to go. Throw a battery in. And then we'll take this guy and slide it on too. It's on a J-lock system. So once you put everything on the J-lock system and you tighten it down, come in here and press this clamp down. This clamp is what holds everything together. Right here, sorry. That's what holds everything together. You got nice shine through on your eye. LEDs. Twist off. Or we could just tap this. And then tap it again and turn it off. And then we'll hold it down for a second for sound tracks. And do it again to turn it off. And then auxiliary to our next soundtrack, or our next sound font rather. I can't quite fit my 2-foot blade in this guy, so I brought my shorty out here for this one. This is a tight blade socket, so you might have to do some sanding on your blade. And then we'll use the blade retention on this guy too, because we'll need it. One blade doesn't fit at all and the other one fits too loose. So blade retention right there, right? Flash on clash. Flash or deflex. You've got quite a few sound fonts on here. We'll turn that off. So right behind this Covertech, there are several sound venting holes. I'm trying to find a good angle that you can't see from just looking at it, but you can see how that sits up off the pommel. And then there's sound venting holes underneath this clip. So it actually sounds pretty good. Green on your glass eye. We'll go to another one. You got a lot to choose from.
Are you a Jedi? in defense.
One more.
Engine integration.
And we'll turn it off and we'll take the blade out. So you can see everything's working like it should. And then we'll just go through taking the battery out real quick. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is just a classic, right? The Graflex is just an absolute classic. So we'll come down here and we'll flip this clamp, go counterclockwise and take our handle off. And then you can come over here from the positive side next to your speaker and pop it out just like that. It comes right out, but it stays in there nice and tight for you. That's pretty much your Sabre. Let me know if you got any questions. And if not, this will go out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks, dude.